this video, I want to be showing you some features of this app or this website. This is a school management system and is a multi-tenant school management system. I developed this project from scratch, from design to implementation to production. I did everything. So you can register on this site. If you want to register on our school management system, just use the link in the description to engage me so you can register on it, or it talk better. And if you want me to develop yours for you or other software as well, you can also use the engagement link in the description to engage me so I can come in and look at how we are going to work together. Now let me start. Let me log in as an admin. This school management system is a role base. From here, we are going to see the summary of what is in the system. For example, in this particular school, we have 600 students, 10 teachers, 15 classes, 8 subjects. This is the fees collected, this is the outstanding or the pending fees, and this is the total fees, total invoice. So here we can quickly click on any of them to see the details. Let me just click on manage students. See, take me to students. Now here we are going to see all the enrolled students. So here we are going to see all the enrolled students. We can import students. We can download the template. So we are just going to fill in the student name to import. You can add single students. Maybe for example, I click on add. Here I'm going to fill all these details. Some fields are optional. The ones that are checked are the compulsory ones. Then I click on create students. And we can filter students here as well. Maybe by class, can filter students. Now here we are going to see the teachers as well. The teachers. The parents, we are going to see the parents here, and their award. For example, this parent by name has one child. So like that, and this is the occupation. User management, where the admin is going to see all the users. That's the students, the parents. This is a student, this is a parent, student parents, like that. It's going to see overall user here is this 1211, that's 1211. Now, and you can also add user there. Here the admin is going to see the classes created. You can add classes. These are the classes created. You can update a class. And we can add new classes. Every class has a grade level. These are the grade level here. These are the grade level. See, and this is the order as the ranking. Now let's come to the subject. Here are the subjects offered in this particular school. I'm going to display here. Here are the subjects offered. You can add more subjects. You can edit a subject. You can edit a subject here. You can add more subjects. If you want to add subjects, you can add more subjects here. Now let's come to results. Here is going to show us the results of the students in the school. Here is going to show us the results of the students in the school. As you can see, here are the results. For this, this is the scores. So now, these are the total results. As I said earlier, this student by name, this is the subject, this is the class, academic year, the term, this is the result. And in the first test, second test, if we have more than 2 tests, maybe third and fourth, we can input it, and this is the exam. Now, it added together to 107, 25, 26, 40. Yeah, so the teacher is just going to input the the test scores and the exam. So the system is going to calculate the total score for it by itself, and you can update the result as well. You can update the result as well. For example, now because we are getting this A, B form, the school is going to put in the grade for the school. Before that, let me just show you. We can still edit the scores. For that student. Maybe, for example, this one is 60. Yeah, update. So result updated successfully. You see, it's now 100. You can update it. The school is going to fill in the CA test and the exam. Then the system is going to calculate the remaining one for it, and the school is going to determine the grade level by themselves. The school is going to determine the grade level by themselves, and you can sort by student or class. Academic year, academic term is going to show the academic terms for the academic year. So this is the students for the academic year. For the academic term, let's say first term, it's going to show only the student for that first term. As you can see, first term. Class, it's going to show only the student for that class we select. The subject is going to show only the subject we select. Now that's for filters, and you can download the student record. For example, let me download this particular one. Let me download this particular one record. It's going to download. So downloaded successfully. Download many files because I clicked more on it more than once. Let me just close it. I can just come here. Let me see. We're going to see So these are all the results of that particular student. All the result of that particular student is it here. So you can track all the record of the particular student. Now, then the system is going to do the remaining one. Apart from this, the system also have a ranking scale which is going to rank the students according to their position. Let me say maybe primary 4B, academic year, let me say the current one, academic term, let me say first term, rank student. So student ranked successfully. You click on generate report. Report generated successfully. So look at it. This person came first with an average of 96.25%. That's what it is first. Second person gives it. The total score of this person is this. Of this person is this. Like that. So these are the score for this particular class. After that, you can go to our report card. We select our year, the academic year we are talking about. We want year we are talking about this particular current term. The class, let me say primary 4, let me say 4B. Then I can generate class report card. It's going to generate all the report card for that student, for all the students in that particular class. It has downloaded class report cards. So when I open it, we are going to see all the student report card, the school name, student report card. This is the student name, class, term, admission number. So for this student, another student, you are going to see the details, the subject, term, first term, second test, tutor, the grades, and the remark. So total subject pass, total score, the percentage, average score. You are going to see everything there. So the class teacher, head teacher, parent guidance, that is the signatures. So that's for that. The report card, as you can see, can generate for all students. Now let me go back to fee management. So under the fee management, we have the fee type. We are going to create the fee type, which type of fee, create the description, then we create. Look at the ones you have already created. Tuition fee, development fee. As you can see from here, there is no fee attached to it, but that's the type of fee. So now look at, okay, that fee type, that's the tuition fee. For which class? For this academic year, the amount, this is where we now get the amount. For example, you can add fee structure here. You see, select fee type, select class, select academic year, select academic term. Then you add the amount and the due date. which you can all see here. Here, and we can edit it as well. Here we have the invoices. So it's going to show all the invoice. So these are the invoices. These are the invoices. This student, this is the class. The amount he's supposed to pay. This amount he has paid means he's not owing anything. Outstanding 0. The due date paid. Yeah, paid. This person has not paid anything. You see, unpaid. Likewise, look at this one. Look at this amount he's supposed to pay. This amount he has paid. This is the balance or outstanding. That's why it's written partially paid. And we can also give discount to students. You just like here, clicking on this place. Discount type. So discount name, maybe percentage, how many percent you want to give the person. Maybe discount name value, enter percentage because it's discount is percentage. So like that. So these are just the few things I want to show, because so the video won't be that lengthy. Then from here you can download the outstanding invoices. Let me go back to the view, as you can see. So this is the few I want to show. So the video won't be that lengthy. So for your web development, or you want to build it from or mobile application, please engage me in the description to engage me to help you develop your project. And if you want to register on my platform on this school management system, because it's multi-tenant, also use the engagement link in the description to engage me so you can talk better and work together. Hope to see you to work together. And our other features as well, or our other services, we are going to see it also in the description page. Thank you.